Approved types of point machine.
Okay.
The following types of point machines are functioning in Indian Railways. These are IRS rotary type point machine, Siemens three-phase electric point machine, Sundaram Clayton LM55 point machine, IRS clamp lock type point machine, and GRS type point machine. IRS rotary type point machine is the commonly used point machine in Indian Railways. Siemens DC electric point machine is also available in very large numbers. Operation. 3 conductors are required. The first conductor for normal operation, the second conductor for reverse operation, and the third as common conductor. Long sleepers. In the point zone, the third and fourth sleepers from stock rail joint must be provided longer than the other sleepers to facilitate fixing of point machine. To ensure safety, the track gauge at a point has to be maintained properly. Further, the position of point machine with respect to running gauge is also fixed. These requirements are complied by means of gauge tie plate, which is insulated to allow track circuit to function in the point zone. Track circuit. Point zone is track circuited to achieve track locking. For track circuiting, gauge tie plate, Williams stretchers, point rods, that is, detector rods, lock rods, throw rods, and P brackets on both switches are to be insulated to avoid short circuiting and leakage of battery. Locking. Track locking prevents operation of points when a train is standing or passing over it. Indication locking maintains correspondence between operating mechanism or lever and point machine. When a lever is operated from normal to reverse, it will get locked at D position. Only when the point is completely set in reverse position and RWKR is up, lever locked at D will be released and it can go to reverse position. Thus, the correspondence, that is, point reverse at sight and lever reversed in the cabin, is proved. Similarly, for normal operation also. A separate cable is required for operation and detection of points. A 10 volts DC battery set with battery charges are provided for point operation. For point detection and controlling, 60 volts or 24 volts battery sets with battery chargers are used. 24 volts with Q series relays and 60 volts with K50 or metal to relays.